If it swims, he seeks it. If it exists, he will find it. And if it's possible, he'll catch it. Simply Fishing and host Bob Mehsikomer are on a quest to expand your fishing horizons on every episode. Brought to you by Yamaha. Reliability starts here. Beckman, North America's trusted name in nets. Klein Nissan, your Nissan dealer with a global perspective. M&G by Lindy, now with the Buckaboo. Pose, makers of the original Giant Jackpot and Awaker. Ranger Boats, still building legends one at a time. Angler's Edge Plus, fishing on the edge of technology. And by Western Filament's Tough Lines, when only the toughest will do.
Hi everyone, Bob Mehsikomer here, and welcome to today's show. You know, folks, Father's Day is an important date, no matter what parent there is out there. What I'm going to do today is take my youngest son, Jason, on a Father's Day trip to Lindbergh's Reindeer Lake Lodge in northern Saskatchewan as he and I challenge giant northern pike. Folks, I'm talking about truly big fish. When was the last time you encountered 25, 30, or more than that, over 40 inches in a single day? Well, come on along with us to Lindbergh's Reindeer Lake Lodge. Holy smokes, Rocky. There's a nice fish, though. Okay, come here, girl.
41, 42 inches?
Yeah, I'd say 41, 42. Look at that manta. It is in there. Come here, girl. Come here. Oh, man, is that thing in there. Sometimes they'll actually spit that, but I'm going to have to go in. Oh, yeah, easy 42. $43, $44.
Yeah.
Who brought the tape with today?
Yeah. This one's going to go down in the water a couple of times before this is out of here. Thank you. There we go. You want to see her?
Yeah. Looks fat.
Oh, it's a nice fish. There's a bunch of these fish in here, though. A bunch of them. Oh, yes. There's a bunch of these girls in here. Hoofda. We must have probably 15, 20 of these big fish like this underneath the boat right now. It's gin clear water. Jason and I are up here having a great time. Darwin's got us on some fish. I'm gonna get this one back. Yep. Reindeer Lake is one of those incredible lakes offering pike sanctuaries in many varieties. It's not uncommon to start your pursuit of trophy pike that are found here by searching out areas that offer timber as cover elements, where pike often stage to prey upon unsuspecting forage. These areas are generally shallow and are most productive during early season periods under the blessing of bright sunlight. Another area often sought by trophy pike are those island clusters, especially those found in main lake basins offering a continued exchange of water, which can in fact set up currents and attract many trophy pike. And then there's my favorite, the lonesome Darkwater Bay. These areas attract bait fish very early and become home to many feeding pike during cooler water periods. Another facet of a bay such as these would be their offering of aquatic plant life as cover, in this case lily pads. Mature pike seek these padded areas for protection and comfort. Be observant of your surroundings and don't be afraid to move around until you locate prime pike waters.
You really got to look in there closely because it looks like rock edges, and they're not rock edges, they're big
You
fish.
just had one turn.
Got these fish right here.
Yep.
Yep.
There's just so many of them that... Here comes a big one behind me.
Yep.
Look at him. Oh, he turned
Oh.
out. What turned him
Wait,
off?
he's coming back. He's coming back, Dad.
Got him. Woo.
Oh, I think mine's bigger, Dad.
Yeah, we got
this.
a double on, huh? Mine's bigger though, son. Oh, look at this. A pair of these things. A pair of... No, yours is pretty good too.
Double 40s.
You got
baby.
double 40s here. Yeah, you can't knock that, I'm telling you. Holy smokes, yes indeed. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one quickly, son.
Yep.
This is a 43.
Yeah, at least, yeah. That's,
Oh man, come here.
that one would be close to 43 too, Jason.
Come here. He won't let me grab him. Okay, roll up. Now
You're
let's
doing it.
unroll. How you doing with yours there, son?
Good.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice fish you got there. Nice fish. She gonna be okay? Oh, you'll be fine. Lift her up. Go ahead, lift her up. We'll put her back in the water. She'll be fine. Good enough.
Yeah.
There's another 44 there.
Yeah.
Okay. Set her back in the water. All you did was nick a gill. She's okay. As soon as you get in the water, that blood will coagulate. Hold her upright. There she goes.
That was a nice one.
That was a pair of nice fish. That's a pair of nice fish. My hand's not going in that jaw. That's for certain. I'd say a pair of 43s maybe.
Uh-huh.
You want to check this one quick?
Sure.
Mine was all of that. I know that.
Yes, it was.
$45.
45, huh?
That was all of that.
And folks, his fish, although it had a little blood on it, it's not going to be hurt. The blood will coagulate in the water. It's nicked the gill. A pair of 45s right here.
There's 3
That's
more
fun.
right there.
There's 3 more right in front of us here.
Yep.
Oh. Come here, baby. Come here. I held her up a little bit too long. She'll be fine. She'll be fine. Okay, baby.
I might see your 50 back here, Jason.
50 back. Here she goes. There she goes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Jason, this is the kind of fish we came here for.
Double 45.
Double 45s. Here she
What I
goes.
call 90.
Look at these fish out here. There's fish all over. Look at them. Look at that fish right
Oh,
there.
here's another one, big one over here, huge one.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
They're everywhere. Oh, look at this one laying right on top of the rock. Look at it right here.
Oh yeah.
Right on top of that rock.
You got a boil behind your bait, don't you?
Yeah, I saw it.
There's one.
And I stopped
Nice one.
it.
Oh,
Big
I got
one.
a good one.
Big fish.
Oh. Was that the same one that was on top of the rock, son?
This one?
Yeah.
No. That one was still sitting there when this one did the first boil, and then I stopped it and it ate it. Got a big one on?
Pretty nice fish. I haven't got a good look at it yet, but. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Except he don't like me. Yes, sir. Come here, girl. That's 40 plus. Look at the size of that fish. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Okay. You gotta roll over for me, though. What's the most 40s you've had in a day, Darwin?
14.
We're over that.
Pardon me?
We're over that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we're smoking that. We're pushing over 20 fish over 40 inches right now, and we've only been out here for 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, if she got flat in here tonight, I'd come in here with the underwater.
In here?
Yeah. Just shoot underwater footage.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that little guy.
You could
Thank
keep
you.
it right at the top and just aim the camera down, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could drive all around these. Oh man. Did that thing miss it?
Yes. Or, no, it didn't. It went right in between it. Oh my, nope.
Have you got that fish?
Yeah.
You want me to hold that?
It
The
just
whole
came
time?
right at, I'm like, the whole line just went dead.
The whole time you didn't even know they had that one on.
All of a sudden I see a weight coming at me. Let's see if I can get it over here. Come on. Come on. Does not want to take it easy. Take it easy. The thing just charged right at the boat. Easy. Easy. Another big one.
Nothing wrong with that. That's
Nope.
over 40.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
So what?
44,
That's over 40.
Yeah.
43, 44.
Heavy. Big gut on it. I think I threw out my rotator cuff on one of those last ones.
Gone, huh?
Whew. Another nice one. Oh boy.
Big one?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, look at the water you moving in there. She came out from behind those rocks.
Yep.
Look at the one right to your left. Look straight down. 11 o'clock. Yeah.
Oh boy. This one's big, Dad.
Oh, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Good fish.
Oh, yeah. 46? 47 maybe?
boy.
47 maybe.
Good fish.
Oh boy. Is he gonna calm down now?
Careful with her.
Turn over. Turn over.
Over your hat, huh? That's a big fish.
Oh my Lord. I think this is one of the bigger ones I've caught.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Oh boy. Heavy too.
That's got to be 46, maybe 47.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
That one go away or
wow.
what? That was a
That
big
was
fish.
a big one.
That's what you come to Lindbergh's Reindeer Lake Lodge for right there. That kind of fish.
Oh, I need a Slimer top for that one.
We have had it. I mean, it's been our day.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
And we haven't gotten to that bay or that bay yet.
No.
Wait till we get to those bays. They could all be 50 inches there. Then we'd have to tie him up. We'd put handcuffs on him.
Well, then we started catching 50s. I'd start pulling away from them until the 53s came.
Listen to this, would you? Listen to this up there, would you? We just pull it away from 50s. I'll tell you what, champ. You pull it away from all the 50s you want, okay?
No, I probably won't.
Because I'll be standing there in line.
I probably won't.
You know, I've caught 78 muskies over 50, and I've only caught 7 pike over 50. Ooh, there you go.
Ooh, that's a nice fish.
Yes, that's a nice one.
Is that number 8?
No. It's a good fish, though. Oh,
Look at how she rolls.
yep, cartwheeling on me.
You can see that one all the way.
Yep. She's rolled up. Yeah, unroll her. She used all her energy rolling out there. That's a good fish.
Yeah.
She's not done anything, though. You know what that means.
Yep. Be careful.
Yep. Be very careful. That's a big fish.
We gotta measure this one.
This is a big fish.
Yep. We gotta measure this one.
Yes. Oh, look at the size of this girl. She has done nothing, though. She's gonna,
That's scary.
Yeah, that's right now, that's almost a 30-pound pike.
Mm-hmm.
So you go down to grab that right now, and she's gonna go ballistic on you. Because all she did was roll once out there. We're looking at 47, 48, aren't we?
Yep.
Definitely.
Look at her.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna try her.
Whoa,
I
there
knew
she
that was
goes.
coming. Okay. Okay, let me unwrap her. You knew that was coming. These fish are relatively predictable at the side of the boat. And you can't really horse them around, you just have to take your time. And I need to jaw this one. There's no way I can shoulder her. Oh, this is a big fish. Big fish. You can get the tape ready there, Darwin. We're going to tape her.
Yes, sir.
Holy smokes.
Gonna hold this one up in the light.
Yeah, we're going to hold her up. Get a tape on her real quick. We're looking at,
That is a huge head.
yep, it's a big fish. But I was just saying how many 50 muskies I've caught compared to 50 pike. You know, they're just a rarity. Very, very rare. Oh.
You gotta hold her here.
I got her.
49.
49, huh? 49.
49.
49-inch pike. We're just talking about 49 and 50-inch pike. This is what you come to Lindbergh's Reindeer Lake Lodge for right here. Giant pike like this. Jason, I had a ball fishing with you. Did you have fun?
Oh,
Oh man, I'll tell you.
greatest days.
With Darwin in the back of the boat and everybody back at the lodge, big fish like this are just a plus because the hospitality's second to none. Oh man, I'm waiting for this thing to blow up. 49, huh?
Mm-hmm. Just beautiful.
Oh, look at the size of this fish. Look at that head.
It's huge.
Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, huh? Got a big old wart on the top of it. Isn't he beautiful? Look at that.
That is a big fish.
Gorgeous fish.
I think that's the biggest I've seen in person.
Oh, they are so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, look at her. There she goes. There she goes. You want to make sure that they're ready to go. You really do. Hey folks, for your next pike adventure, or if you want to do like I did this week and just go fishing with your son, Father's Day was yesterday. We decided to get together. My oldest boy's back at home. He's going with me yet this year. But get your kids out. Bring them to a place like this. Let them enjoy it. Let them taste what it's like to come down one piece of structure and catch 25 fish over 40 inches and fish pushing 30 pounds. We did it at Lindbergh's Reindeer Lake Lodge. And with Brian and Charmaine back at the lodge taking care of us, and this man in the back right here, Darwin Clark, folks, he knows where these big fish are, and he'll put you on them as well. We'll see you folks next week for more Simply Fishing. Remember, practice CPR, catch, put, and release. The future of fishing is in your hands. If you don't put these fish back and you don't treat them right, they will not be here for future generations. And we know that with catch and release, we'll have a great fishery in the future. See you folks next week, and thanks for watching Simply Fishing. Jason, I had a ball.
Oh yeah.
I had a ball.
Let's go get some more.
I had a ball. I was hoping you would get the big fish. But